Hey guys, Kimberly Flores. I'm coming to you from my current post here in Winchester, California. As you know, I'm the Renegade Pilgrim, so I'm getting ready to head out here pretty soon. But you know what? There's been some things in my past. I don't know if some of you know about me or not, but horses have always been in my. They've been inside my personality. Okay, love horses and all and everything like that. But when I moved before, I had to find a place to keep my horse trailer. Right? Okay, the horse trailer is just sitting. I'm thinking like, okay, this is crazy. If I want another horse trailer, I'll go buy one. So I'm just going to go ahead and sell this one. I put it up, I put a Craigslist ad up, and it was like, I thought I was asking too much for it. But the thing is, I got so many calls and emails, it was just crazy. Anyway, this one couple wanted to come see it. They wanted to come see it, but the thing is, I had this trailer over at a friend's house. I had to get coordinated with the friend, and this took like about a week. Anyway, they were persistent, really persistent about, they really want the trailer. They didn't want it at that time, but they wanted to see it. They wanted to see it. They wanted to see it, and so I kind of felt for them. But anyway, I had some other appointments lined up, for other people. But when we finally got together, long story short, when we finally got together, I got the trailer out, and we met up, and he got to looking at it, and she got to looking at it, and my trailer happened to be exactly what they were looking for. They've been looking for a long time. What I had, they needed, okay? What I had, they wanted. And I thought I was asking too much for it. But if you have what people are looking for, it's priceless. You know what I mean? So, but to what really cemented this for me about, putting out what I have and letting somebody else actually make use of it. Like that horse trailer. I wasn't using it. I mean, what good was it doing just sitting there? The tires are rotten, but anyway, when she finally decided, okay, this is my trailer, we exchanged, paperwork and whatnot, and she started crying. And I started crying. I'm getting teared up now because it was just what she was looking for. And I had it. I was just having it. I was just hanging on to it for nothing, and here I was able to release that for somebody else to make use of. So this is what your story is also. What are you hanging on to that somebody else could be using? I mean, I'm not talking about physical things. I'm talking about, what do you have in and around you and, in and around you that other people can make use of. Think about that and put it out there, okay? You put it out there and you help your fellow man, and it will bless you. I am blessed now because I know that trailer is suiting them fine. They're going to be going all over the country doing a little mini. They raise minis and they show them in carts, and it just, it was just, I'm getting teary-eyed right now. But anyway, guys, long story short, just put what you think is valuable out there, and don't worry about how much you think it costs, because it's priceless to somebody else. Okay, all right. So, anyways, Kim Flores, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty, bye bye.